and basically how you found us, where you found us, how you feel our teaching is, the advice Amber gave you, etc. So you can, I'd love 2 reviews actually. I'd love one in English and one in Cantonese. Okay, and the things you are, so you can start talking when you want to, introduce yourself, and you're showing people, you're telling people the truth, so what you feel. Okay, so when you're ready.
So I'm Roy, and this is my 3rd time doing the driving test, and I've finally passed this time. And I found Ayub on Instagram for my 2nd driving test, and I really feel like him being an instructor is like way better than my 1st instructor. Like he would put a lot of details on my drivings to like improve a lot, like not only like passing driving tests, but I can also use it in real life. So I really like Ayub as my instructor, and also as Amber, because Amber is like more picky than Ayub. So having to like put perspective on my driving does help me improve my driving a lot. And yeah, choose iDrive Leeds.
Okay guys, so Roy's passed his driving test in Leeds, Horsforth. Some of the work I did, and some my boss behind me actually, she did some. So there's a little bit of hesitancy on a roundabout, weren't there? So do you know, like we've done 2 driving tests. So we've done one that you failed on. Was it on blind spot checks and observations on roundabout?
You mean the 2nd test? No?
Yes, yeah. So we've done 2 tests together. So the first one, was it on blind spot that he pulled you on? Blind spot and stopping unnecessarily at a roundabout. Okay, so then what we did, we went back to the drawing board, so to speak, and we tried correcting that. Now we tried correcting that by fixing the faults, but also Amber said something about streetlights to you. So I had to delegate that information to you. Do you feel that helped you?
Yeah, I really have a lot, because before I was just kind of hesitant seeing a car coming far away, not sure if I should take the gap or not, because I'm afraid if I take the gap but the car slow down, then, but if I don't go, I'll be like hesitation. So I was kind of like stuck in the middle.
So do you feel it worked by giving you them references?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, obviously, clearly it did. He actually said it was a beautiful drive. Well done.
Yeah.
You've done really well. That's excellent. I'm pleased with that. So, would you recommend me to your friends and family?
Hell yeah.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Because my friend in Manchester, he actually was about to take his theory test, and I asked him like if he can do just find you, like ask for like an intensive course.
Tell him get the theory done. Ring me. I'll deal with the rest.
Yeah.
If it's in Manchester, I can get it done in Manchester. If it's in Leeds, I can get it done in Leeds. No, it's not an issue. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to us, get in touch with us. You've got our number, you've heard it from Roy. There's nothing else to say, so thank you very much for watching. If you can turn that off for me as well.